Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today's video is pretty much a wish list slash just things that I'm planning on buying during the Black Friday sales. If you've literally spent more than 5 minutes on social media or the internet in general over the last week, you'll know that a lot of Black Friday sales have already begun as a part of like Cyber Weekend and just all the rest of it. It is actually very overwhelming going on social media or even just the internet at the moment because you are just like constantly bombarded with sales. I'm hoping this video somewhat narrows down some of the better sales, or at the very least you guys will just get a better understanding of what I'm planning to spend my money on this Black Friday and I guess just over the Christmas period in general. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it is so loud out there. Anyways, starting with a few tech like items. The first thing on my wish list this Christmas is a GoPro camera, especially in my weekly vlogs. I love creating different angles and just different perspectives, and I kind of just feel like a GoPro would be the perfect addition to my repertoire of cameras that I use to film different clips. So that is probably at the top of my wish list this Christmas. The GoPro Hero 11, which is the one that I want, is kind of expensive, especially for such a small camera, so I'm really hoping it goes on sale this weekend, and if it does, I will definitely be investing. The next thing that I really want is a new toaster. I will be honest when I say we do currently have a perfectly functioning toaster in this household already, but it's just not very pretty, and I feel like either this toaster from Alessi or the simple white Smeg toaster would just go a lot better with the little white kettle that we already have in our kitchen. So that one is obviously more of a want rather than a need. In fact, probably all of these are more wants rather than needs, but it is on my wish list nonetheless. The next item is a new Dyson vacuum. We have had our current Dyson vacuum for about 5 or 6 years now. It is amazing and I obviously love them. However, I just feel like it's not as powerful as it once was. The battery is starting to die and it is also a really old model. So I wouldn't mind to just upgrade, and if it's on sale this weekend, you best believe I will be buying it. The last electronic item that is on this wish list is actually not for me, it is for my mum, and don't worry, I have told her she cannot watch this video, so just we're all good here. Nick and I decided to invest in the Breville Barista Pro coffee machine around this time last year, and we absolutely love it. We get so much use out of it, and I really feel like this would be the perfect addition to my mum's kitchen. It is pretty expensive, and even with Black Friday sales, I just don't think it's going to go down a crazy amount. So this is a gift that me, my brother, Nick, and my brother's girlfriend are actually going to go in together and buy for her. I think she's going to absolutely love it. She loves drinking coffee, and it is just a really easy and accessible coffee machine to have in your house. So for the fashion items that are on my wish list, the first thing is a pair of green Adidas sneakers. I'm thinking either the Gazelle or the Hamburg. I currently have the red Gazelles and also the black Superstars, and I have been wearing them so much, and I know how much I love green, and I just know that I would definitely wear a green sneaker as well. I bought the Groove leggings from Lululemon about maybe 2 months ago. It was actually really hard to get them because they're literally always sold out of my size, but I have pretty much worn them every single day since, so I feel like they were a really good purchase. And if Lululemon does have any Black Friday sales this weekend and those leggings do happen to go on sale, I think I will definitely buy them in another colorway. I'm thinking either the dark gray or even like a blue navy sort of color. I think I'd wear a lot as well, so if either of those colors go on sale, I will definitely be buying that as well. About 3 years ago, I pretty much rid my entire wardrobe of all denim jackets, and perhaps I went a little bit too hard on the color because I'm sort of craving a denim jacket again, but I don't have any in my wardrobe. So I have been thinking about adding a new denim jacket to my wardrobe again, and this one from Acne Studios is at the top of my wish list. It is pretty expensive for a denim jacket, but I have tried it on in store, and the cut and the shape and just like the whole thing is perfect. I also feel like this time I will not cull this jacket. I will keep it in my wardrobe. Even if I feel like denim jackets are not having a moment, I'm never going to wear them again, I will hold on to this one because I know eventually, even if it's in like 20 years from now, I will circle back and I'll want to wear it again, and I'll be so glad that I kept it. So if this goes on sale this weekend, I will definitely be buying this one. After trying them on in store, I found that size small was the perfect fit. It was a little bit oversized, so I could definitely fit like a jumper underneath, but it was still comfortable and not too long or anything like that, which is kind of what I was after. So yes, I want this jacket. It might feel a bit early to already be thinking about New Year's Eve, given we have not even had Christmas, but I'm always just thinking about what outfits I want to wear for big occasions like that. To be completely honest, my birthday and New Year's Eve are pretty much the only two occasions that I kind of carry on a little bit about what I'm going to wear for. I guess I just like to bring in the new year or a new birth year with a really fun outfit, and a fun outfit often needs a little bit of planning, right? This is the dress that I'm hoping to bring in the new year with. It is very expensive for a dress, I'm not gonna lie, but I really do see myself bringing in 2023 in this dress. And I also feel like there will be a couple of occasions early in 2023 that I'll be able to wear this dress again, and after I've enjoyed it for a while, I'll probably sell it and give it to a new home so that someone else can enjoy it as well at a discounted price. But before that, it really does need to go on sale because I just don't think it's worth $2,000. Just like continuing with this theme of things that are definitely overpriced, but I still would love to own and have in my wish list for Christmas, is the Bottega Cassette brick in the burgundy colorway. I am obsessed with this bag. I first saw it over 6 months ago and I figured I'd probably be over it by now and therefore I would not need to buy it, but I just keep thinking about it, and at this point I'm like, do I just get it so that I can stop thinking about it? I don't even know. It is currently priced at something ridiculous, over $4,000, and I just do not want to spend that on this bag, especially given I already have the cassette bag from Bottega. So this is not that different to the one that I already have. It's just a slightly different shape and obviously a different color. So I am really hoping that it goes on sale at either like Matches Fashion or Farfetch or something like that, and if it does, I will be so tempted to invest. I also have a growing wish list from the brand The Row, and again I'm sort of just hoping for a few pieces to go on sale. Firstly is this bag. I absolutely love it. I don't feel like it's worth that price, especially for suede, which is just like notoriously hard to maintain. These ballet flats I love, and I also really love this white skirt. Given we are going into summer here, I just feel like it would be perfect for the warmer seasons, for like barbecues and Christmas parties and that kind of thing. So yes, they are all on my wish list amongst many other things from The Row that I am just kind of waiting to purchase. And the last things are actually gifts for my loved ones. So the first one is what I'm planning on buying Nick for Christmas this year, which is a new scent. He has not had a new scent in, I can't even tell you how many years, and I just feel like it is time for a refresh. I really love everything from Le Labo and also Aesop, especially for men, so I think I'll be going with one of those. I'll be checking which one has a better discount this weekend, and yeah, just going with whatever one is slightly more reduced. As you guys already know, I've been working with Missouri for years. I absolutely love literally everything from them. I think the quality is really great. I think the price is affordable, and I think the way they're packaged and everything just makes them the perfect gift. Missouri literally only has one sale in the entire year, and that is during Black Friday. And given I am working with them on Black Friday sales this year, but for Instagram, I kind of already have an idea of what the sale is going to be, and it is very, very good. So I feel like it's a really good time to buy Missouri. I am turning 30 next year, and so are a few of my best girlfriends, so I am already thinking of gift ideas for them, even though some of their birthdays are a few months away. And I just figure if you can get something that you want to buy anyways on sale, you might as well. So I will definitely be taking advantage of the Missouri Black Friday sale. And the last gift that I'm going to be buying during the Black Friday sales is from In the Roundhouse. I already have so many things from them. I have the bowls, the plates, the trays, the little dippy egg things. I have like everything because I really love the brand. I also think that it's pretty affordable. You can put together a few pieces and have it still be under $100, which I think is, in this day and age, relatively affordable for a gift. I want to buy a few pieces for Nick's parents and his brother and sister-in-law and the rest of it. And don't worry guys, I have literally told everyone in my extended family and friends that they just like cannot watch this video because one of these things is what they're gonna get. So we're good, like we are good. The secret is safe with literally me and you. Anyways, that is all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. There are obviously so many sales happening at the moment, and I don't want you guys to feel like this video is a push to buy a million things over the next week or 2 weeks or whatever. It's not supposed to be that at all. It is just my personal and I guess somewhat extravagant wish list. Hopefully a few of these items do actually go on sale this weekend during Black Friday so that I can purchase them. But if there is something that you were planning on buying for a period of time before this week, it is actually the perfect time to buy it during Black Friday. I will often start making this wish list weeks in advance because I just know that if there is ever a time to buy something that I want, this is the time to buy it. Anyways, I hope you guys loved this video and I will see you again very soon. Bye!